This video is one of a series of reviews where we have tried out all the most popular USB microphones. You can compare all the mics and listen to the original recordings if you visit this page on our website. I've now switched to the Behringer C1U studio condenser microphone. This is a large diaphragm USB condenser microphone with a cardioid pickup pattern. It doesn't have any headphone output, so you will need to monitor your recordings through your existing computer speakers or headphones. It doesn't come with any stand, just this swivel stand mount, so you will need to buy some kind of mic stand. You just need one with a standard fitting. I'm also finding that the levels of this mic are very low, and so I'm having to speak very closely to the mic to get a good signal. Therefore, I think you would also need to buy a pop filter to filter out some of the explosive P's and B's which you've probably heard so far. This microphone includes podcasting and audio editing software called Traction. Plus you can go to the Behringer site and download ASIO drivers so that you can reduce the recording latency on Windows. You connect it to your Mac or PC with a standard USB lead. It is just plug and play, and if I just pause so you can hear the ambient sound of the mic. There you have the Behringer C1U studio condenser microphone. This video is one of a series of reviews where we have tried out all the most popular USB mics. If you want to compare this microphone with the others, you'll find them all on our website in one handy guide, or subscribe to our channel and check out the rest of our videos there. See you again soon.